Page 59, Eine Kleine Nachtmusik. Well, this is a theme from that. It's by a composer named Mozart. Very famous composer. It's worth looking him up. Let's take a look at this. You see it's 4 lines long. 4/4 time. Start with the right hand. Thumbs on middle C here, so you're in this position. And you have a dotted half note. Remember, a dotted half note's worth 3 quarter notes. So in 4/4 time, it's worth 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now last measure, half notes 2 counts, and that box that sits on the line. Did I go over these boxes? I don't remember. That's a half rest, so that's the same as 2 counts. And second line again, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So work this whole thing out very carefully to make sure you play that right hand correctly. And then the left hand, 4th finger on G here, that puts you in this position. And it's got 3 beats of rest, and then 3 beats of rest and a quarter note, and then 1 beat of rest and a quarter note. Isn't this fun? Oh. Second line, there's a B and a G. That's about it for the left hand. You're just playing a little bit. Most of it's in the right hand. So let's try the 2 hands together. So you're in middle C position, and you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea? I don't want to play it for you. I would like you to read the music and figure it out. And try and do it yourself first, and then check what you've done with me to see how correct you are. So work it out so you can play both hands together. Any speed, doesn't matter. Go as slow as you gotta go, but it's gotta be accurate. It's got to, the beat, it's got to be right there, and no hesitations anywhere, just there. Then once you can do that, go back and add maybe the dynamics. They don't give you much in dynamics. You're loud. F is forte for loud at the beginning. You'll have to decide what loud is. 2, 3, whatever. And then in the second line, the last measure, it's moderately loud, or mezzo forte. It's just a little less. It's just sort of loud here. Come down a little bit, and you're staying there until the bottom line, the last few measures. You see that arrow? To get louder, you're going back up to loud. So take your time here. I would stay pretty much mezzo forte for all of this, and then come up just a hair. Now loud. Don't get loud to the last measure. Careful there. You have to plan that out. It's kind of hard to do sometimes. When you have that, and you can play both hands together with all that, then you can think about the speed. It says fast. You don't know how fast, just fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. That's up to you. Then when you have all that ready and you think you've got it, come back and do the play with me. Let's do this and check your notes and rhythms, make sure those are correct. I'm not going to do dynamics or any of that, and we're going to go really slow. So I'll give us 4 counts, so let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off.